let me be very honest with you. If you are still creating generic planners or random ebooks, you are probably struggling right now. In this video, I'm going to show you products that are actually selling in 2026. This is what people are buying, what people are selling, and what people are watching. So if you want to know which product that you can go ahead and create right now, stick with me up to the end of this video, because the last product I'm going to share is what actual people are more interested in. Why digital products are failing in 2026. Here is the truth that nobody is telling you. Buyers are tired of generic digital products, and what I mean by this is that you create a product that is leading to nowhere, a product that is not solving a specific problem. This is what buyers want in 2026. All buyers want a product that is going to solve a problem for them, that is going to touch their pain point, so that when they buy it, they are going to be able to implement it and see results from the digital product that they have bought from you. But if you create a generic digital product, nobody is going to buy it. Everybody is just going to pass by it. Nobody is even going to stay there and listen to your content or to the video that you are using to promote this digital product, because they don't know exactly how this is going to help them. If a person clicks on your digital product is supposed to be solving a problem for them. That's why they clicked on it in the first place, because they have a problem and they need a solution to that problem. But if your product is just generic, maybe something like make money online, a person will not be sure if it's going to help them to make money online as a freelancer. Is your digital product going to help them to make money online through selling digital products? So people are tired of generic products that are leading to nowhere. That's why your product is not working. Maybe it's too general. It's not solving a specific problem that people are looking for. If your digital product doesn't help people save time, reduce stress, or help them to make money fast, nobody is going to buy your digital product. So when you're creating, excuse me for my voice. So when you're creating a digital product, make sure it has those components. It's supposed to be helping people to save time, helping people to reduce stress, and to make money fast. So I'm going to show you which products are winning right now. And when you are creating these products that I'm going to mention down below, make sure that they have a point that will help people to save time and to stop their stress and to help them make money. That's how you're going to step up from other creators, and this is going to elevate you. AI done for you digital products. These are selling fast and like crazy in 2026. Yes. People want done for you AI tools. They don't have time to go ahead and learn each AI, because a lot of AI is coming up nowadays, popping up here and everywhere. Nobody is going to be able to master each AI. So nowadays, what people are looking for, they are looking for AI done for you tools that can help them to elevate their business and scale it to another level. The first product that you can create in AI done for you products is AI prompt packs for specific jobs. There are so many different niches that you can tap in and create AI packs for these people. Maybe a person is into creating books, maybe for KDP, they need prompt packs that they can use to prompt AIs to help them come up maybe with better coloring images, with better coloring books. Or a person is into writing children's storybooks, they will need the right prompt to help them in AI like ChatGPT, so that it can come up with the right script for the story that is going to help them make money. Or people use AI prompt packs in different ways. So you can create an AI prompt pack according to a specific problem. So it will depend on you. You can choose to create AI prompt packs for people who write books, for people who are into different businesses. So it's going to be good if you specify and create something that is niched down instead of creating something that is generic. Example number 2 is AI scripts for content creators like me. I'm a content creator, and coming up with scripts Sometimes it's hard, it's difficult. Sometimes you have to shoot content but you don't know what you're going to shoot, and this really helps people. It helps people to save time, because a lot of people nowadays, they are into content creation and they have to create content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, Facebook, and if they don't have scripts, you can get overwhelmed and you end up not even doing the content that you wanted to do, or even you end up giving up on your content journey. But if a person has a script that they can follow, it's easier. You can know what you are going to say at a specific time and a specific moment. So these scripts, they work like crazy. Since right now everybody is into content creation, everybody wants to create something, either to sell their digital products, either create content, educational content, kids content. So you can be creating AI scripts for content creators, for maybe people who have children YouTube channels, for people who have finance channels. So there are so many. This niche is broad and wide, so you can write AI scripts in different niches. If you want, you can niche down to people who want to create maybe children videos. You can niche down to people who want to create maybe videos for mothers or for parenthood. So you can pick a certain niche and niche down to that and be creating scripts for content creators in that niche. That's going to help you, and it's going to help your business boom like crazy, because everybody wants to create content, but good content has to come from a good written script. So if you're providing good written scripts using AI, this is going to help you to stand out of the crowd in this year 2026. So that's a very good digital product that you can go ahead and start creating. It's another example that you can create is AI workflows for small businesses. Everybody needs a smooth workflow to run their business. So if a person, they are not organized in their workflow, it can lead to losses, losing of customers, losing different opportunities. And I know, and I'm very sure everybody is willing to pay money for anything that is going to help their business grow, because everybody treats their business like a baby. They need to take care of it. So if you're creating AI workflows for people, it's going to help them in their business. And if your product that you are creating is solving a problem, it's helping people to reduce stress, it's helping people to get money faster, everybody will be willing to pay you, and even people will be willing to recommend you to other people, because what you are creating is really solving a problem and it's reducing their stress. Nobody wants to end their day from work when they're stressed and what they were trying to work on did not work. But if they have these AI workflows set in place, it's going to help them boost their business, and people are willing to pay for that. So that's going to be a good digital product in 2026. You can create a custom GPTs for different for different niche tasks. Yes, for different niche tasks. Every niche has its own task. For example, the way you're creating a digital product or a custom GPT for a digital product about maybe make money online for freelancers is not the same way you're going to create a custom GPT maybe for make money online for students at home or for moms at home. They are different. Or you're creating a custom GPT for people who are using maybe affiliate marketing to make money. So these are going to be different niches, because people who are doing freelancing, their custom GPT is supposed to be different, because freelancing is not the same as affiliate marketing. They are all in one niche of making money online, but all of them, they have their different ways how people can use them. So if you are creating a custom GPT for a niche of affiliate marketing, it's not going to be the same for a niche of a person who is into freelancing or into digital products. So they are supposed to be different. So if you are creating custom GPTs for affiliate marketing, that's going to be good, because you are going to be targeting people who are into affiliate marketing. If you are creating maybe a custom GPT for people who are into freelancing, that's also going to be good, as long as you create custom GPTs for a certain niche. So you pick a niche that you know people are interested in. For example, people are interested in freelancing. Nobody wants to go and take a 9 to 5 nowadays. People want freedom. People want affiliate marketing because there is no inventory. You just sell other people's products and you get commissions. So if you are creating a custom GPT by targeting a specific niche, this is also going to help you, and it's going to take you another level ahead. The next digital product now you can create, apart from AI digital products, high value templates. You can create high value templates, not basic ones. Templates are still working in 2026, but here is the difference. Let me break it down for you so that you can understand. Basic templates equals dead, systems equals winning. What I mean by this, creating basic templates, nobody needs that again. People need a system that is going to help them boost their business. If you want to start your digital product business, I've made a free guide that can help you. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and download your beginner's roadmap to creating and launching your first digital product. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and comment 2026 to show that you are serious and you are going to go ahead and try out this digital product. See you in the next video.